If you want to change keyboard language on Google Pixel 9a, then first of all we need to open Settings of the phone, scroll down and choose System, and then over here go to Keyboard, select On-Screen Keyboard and select Gboard, as this is the default keyboard that we have. Now over here we can go to Languages, you can press Add Keyboard and add the language that you wish to have on your keyboard. You can also search for a language, so let's say I'm gonna choose French. There we go. Over here you can choose the layout as well. You can add multilingual typing and also enable or disable additional languages. And then we can press done once you are ready. And there we go. If you want to remove alt language, we can press this pen icon in the top right corner, check the box of the language that we want to remove, and then over here we have this trash icon. However, if you wish to have 2 languages or more, then of course we can still change the language. Now in this case, we can press and hold our finger on the spacebar and choose the language that we wish to use. Or you can press this globe icon that you might have in the bottom right corner over here. And as you can see, we can change the language over here. You might also see the globe icon next to the spacebar as well, depending on one setting. More precisely, if you go back and choose Preferences, then over here we have Show Language Switch Key. So this might be also a way to change the language. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!